In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stockcharts Screener. We'll walk through the advanced scan workbench so you can quickly filter the market for exactly what you want to find. First, open the Scan tool. Log in at stockcharts.com, head to your dashboard, and click Advanced Scan Workbench under the Member Tools section. This brings up the main scan page, where you'll see the scan editor, drop-down menus for components, and buttons to check syntax and run your scan. Next, start a new scan by clearing any existing text in the scan editor. By default, you'll see something like type is stock and SEM 20 pound volume 4,000. These lines define the universe you're scanning. For example, type is stock restricts results to stocks, and SEM 20 pound volume and 4,000 ensures an average 20-day volume above a basic threshold. You can edit these lines or replace them to match your focus. Keep the square brackets around each condition, as that's part of the required syntax. Now, build your scan. You can type criteria manually, such as and RSI 1470, or use the Scan Components dropdowns to insert pre-built clauses. Those menus let you add price conditions like close or high, volume thresholds, indicator signals like MACD and moving averages, and SCTR filters for relative strength. Use AND to narrow your results, and OR to broaden them. For example, combining close 50 and volume 5,000 and SCTR 70 will focus your results on actively traded, stronger names. If you need more complex logic, group parts with parentheses so the scan reads the conditions in the order you intend. A helpful approach is to start broad, confirm it works, then add one condition at a time. Before running anything, click Check Syntax. This step confirms there are no typos or missing brackets. If an error appears, the message will point to the line or token that needs attention. Common issues include a missing bracket, an extra space inside a function, or a mistyped function name. Make small fixes, then check again until you see a confirmation that the syntax is valid. When everything looks good, click Run Scan. Your results will open in a new tab or window, showing the symbols that match your criteria. If you get an empty list, that usually means your filters are too strict, so go back to the editor, relax one condition, and try again. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to find precisely the setups you care about, quickly and confidently.